What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about a story that I read on phonearena.com. As you can probably tell by the title, Samsung may be threatened with class action lawsuits due to the durability of their fold and flip phones. So, right off the top, I'm gonna go ahead and discuss this and go over the article really quick. And also, I want to add a little something extra to this. And I just want to hear what you. I want to read your comments down below after this video to see how they will handle this particular problem if a eSIM phone was involved. So this is really interesting. But let's go ahead and take a look at the article right quick. So this article, first off, let me give credit to the author of this article who took the time to report this, write it out for Phone Arena, Mr. Alan Friedman. Whenever I try to do something like this, I want to give credit where credit is due. I will leave a link to his article if you want to read this down below in my description. So Alan Friedman it wrote this information, and I'm here to just get it out to you guys just in case you missed it. So, like I said, a class action lawsuit has begun or being contemplated in Poland, where they have maybe 1,000, a little over 1,100 people in the country who are thinking about bringing a class action lawsuit due to the durability of their phones. Now, these are Flip 3s and Fold 3s, where their warranty has actually lapsed. Now, according to Sam Mobile, the customers have been complaining on all the social media sites, and they've been complaining that this breakdown happens over time, and then secondly, it's happening right after their 1-year warranty is over with, so they're being left with the actual cost of having the repairs done on these particular phones that are having these issues. So as you can see some of the pictures here. Now, this picture of the fold is an influencer mistakenly peeled off the protective tape. But you can see the damage that happens from just doing that. Also, the Netherlands are having people in the Netherlands are having similar problems with the Z Fold and Flip units. Now, here's the one thing I could say about class action lawsuits. They're like a snowball. Once it starts rolling down a hill, it can become a big problem for Samsung and could possibly maybe cause them some future issues. So the reports in the Netherlands are pretty similar to what's been happening over in Poland and what have you. The one thing, though, as we all know about class action lawsuits, is that the people who actually bring the suits don't really reap the benefits of the settlements. It's usually the lawyers. So a lot of people who get into these class action lawsuits will have a decision down the road to either step outside of, opt out of the class action lawsuit and get their own lawyer and pretty much go at it, one person at a time. But sometimes with a class action lawsuit, it has a little bit more clout because there's more people involved. So it's kind of hard to go at Samsung by yourself. So it's almost like, damn if you do, damn if you don't. But according to this article, they hear some suggestions of how Samsung could possibly address this problem before it gets out of hand. They can actually offer these people some type of credit or small token or discount towards future purchases of the flips and the folds. Samsung has a real lofty goal of by 2025 of having foldables, be almost half of its smartphone revenues. So the convergence of the durability of Samsung and the possibility of eSIMs, because let's face it, it's only a matter of time before Samsung and Google follow suit with doing eSIMs. As much as I hate to say it, Apple do set the trend for a lot of companies. When we thought the headphone 3.5 millimeter headphone jack wouldn't be removed from Samsung. They finally caved in the pressure and they did it, and it's only a matter of time. Plus, the big three companies like Google, Samsung, and Apple can pretty much set their inventory up or their production up of having phones that are designated for America or North America be eSIMs, and the rest of the world having the SIM card tray have that dual flexibility with the eSIM already built in and having a SIM card tray. So I can actually see a lot of companies down the road actually following suit and joining in on this eSIM. And the thing that I wanted to bring up in this this video is, what if you were having a phone with a screen issue and an eSIM? How will a lot of these companies start addressing repair issues? I mean, don't get me wrong. I kind of like the ideal of eSIMs, but not everybody have two phones where you can transfer your information right to another phone, nor do a lot of people are tech savvy enough to do that on their own. It's not really a hard process, but you'll be surprised how some people really just don't have the desire nor the ability to just do simple things that we think that are very simple to do. So looking down the road at this is going to be real interesting, as Samsung is in the race of durability of their displays and the possibility of going to an eSIM only type of phone and having those two meet at the right time, because the durability of those screens would mean a lot to people, knowing that they don't have to worry about having to maybe take their phone in for a repair and having an eSIM phone and having to transfer it out into a temporary phone or to a whole nother phone. I mean, all of that, I can see really big headaches in the future, and the possibility of people maybe not going with a certain brand or a certain type of phone. So I'd like to know what you guys think about the actual lawsuit, and if this was an eSIM situation, how do you think these companies will deal with this type of issue? I like this, maybe I'm missing something, but let me know your comments down below. Also, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.